Thank you, Anna. I just wanted to take this opportunity to follow up on our presentation that we shared with you last month at the Emerging Growth Conference. Just give you a few updates and also point you out to additional information. Before I go there, I just want to remind everyone with our safe harbor statement, which is available on our corporate presentation at our longeveron.com website, and also available on the presentation that we shared with you at the Emerging Growth Conference. There are three things that I just wanted to highlight. I think these are things that just either plan to happen in the near future or things that just recently happened, and I just want to remind everyone with these events. Most importantly, I want to remind everyone that we are planning at the early part of October to announce the results from our Alzheimer's dementia phase 2A study. I shared with you in our presentation last month our planned program around Alzheimer's dementia in phase 2A. As a reminder, this is a 48-patient study. The study was fully enrolled. Our last patient visit happened this month, and we are in the final process of finishing the study and announcing the results early in October. We're very excited about this one and the prospect of Lomecel B in Alzheimer's dementia. But as a reminder to everyone, of course, whenever you work with clinical development and program, results are not guaranteed. But definitely, as you can all imagine, all the Longeveron employees, including myself, were very excited about the prospect of helping patients with Alzheimer's dementia, maybe with hopefully a new alternative. Of course, the road still need to continue, and we need to do our phase 2B or phase 3 to make the product ready for submission to the FDA and getting it approved hopefully after that. So stay tuned. Early October, mark your calendar and be on the lookout for our results from AD02 or Alzheimer's dementia phase 2A. The other couple of topics that I just wanted to highlight is related to hypoplastic left heart syndrome. As a reminder, hypoplastic left heart syndrome is a congenital heart disease, and it affects about 1,000 babies born every year here in the United States. It also affects many other children around the globe. Lomecel B had finished its phase 1 study, and we conducted this on 10 patients. In May of this year, we shared a long-term follow-up around the survival of these children, and we have announced that we have 100% survival for the 10 children who participated in this trial for up to 5 years. We continue to monitor and follow up these children, and so far that 100% stay as is. So we're very excited about this one as well. In addition, we continue to execute against our program with speed and vigor and passion. And just mid-August, just a couple of weeks ago, we announced that we have surpassed 50% enrollment in our phase 2 study, and which we are conducting it. And we're hoping that trial will conclude by the 2024, and then we'll follow up these patients for 1 year according to the study protocol, and then announce the results sometime hopefully in 2025. So that's basically the exciting part about the work that we're doing here at HLHS. We have also, about 2 weeks ago, around mid-August, we have conducted, in partnership with our investor relation group, LifeSci, an events where we hosted 2 of the top most renowned speakers and thought leaders in the area of hypoplastic left heart syndrome, Dr. Sanjay Kaushal and Dr. Ram Subramanian. Both of them are very well known. They are leaders in that field. Dr. Kashal is the principal investigator in our phase 1 trial, and he's also the principal investigator in our phase 2 trial. We also hosted Dr. Joshua Hare, who is a co-founder of the company and also a renowned key opinion leader and a thought leader in the area of cardiology and stem cell research. The three of them shared their knowledge and expertise around HLHS and the promise that Lomecel-B has for these patients. And we are, we have this meeting available as an enduring material both on our website. You can check it out and click the link. It takes about an hour to review the whole thing, but it just shares our passion and level of excitement about the prospect of Lomecel-B in these patients who are suffering from hypoplastic left heart syndrome. So those are just a few of the items that we are just happened in the recent days and recent developments. And also, as I mentioned, be on the lookout for early October for the results from our Alzheimer's dementia trial. I really appreciate the attention and the interest in our Longeveron. We are all available. You can reach us or you can reach our investor relation team. All the information are available on our website, and we will be absolutely happy to discuss any questions that anyone may have of us when you hear this information. Thank you again, and appreciate the opportunity. Back to you, Anna.